Hey, Caster Derek here at Basic Six Clan. Today we're going to be going through some of your ideas that you had on my thrift shop find. Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, some of you guys had some really great comments on what I could do with this piggy bank post office that I just absolutely love that I found at a thrift store. And y'all's ideas are going to require us to do a little bit of a field trip. So we're going to get out of the shop today and we are going to go do a field trip and see if we can find some of the other elements for this cache to make it even more fun when the finder finds it. All right, so I am at Hobby Lobby, which is one of the locations that one of y'all recommended. So we're gonna go in here and we're gonna go see if I can find any really cool elements to add into this cache. All right, you ready? Let's go. Okay, so I'm back here in the model train section and there's some really cool items back here and I kind of thought this would be a really neat place to come into. So let's look at some of these items and I think I found a couple that will be really cool. Somebody mentioned about tumbleweeds and check this out. Those kind of look like tumbleweeds, don't they? So that might be something that'd be really cool to go into this as some tumbleweeds to really set in the mood for this panorama or the diorama of this cache. So I think I'm gonna get these and let's see what else I can find. This looks pretty cool. This is a sand mat. I think that would work really cool underneath the post office as it kind of really sets that up. That, and then also look at some of these rocks that we could maybe do some painting or even just leave them like that. That'd be some really cool elements to really kind of add into it. And then right next to that, there is some really small little rocks. I mean, these are some really cool items just kind of add in there. But now what I need to do is go and find some of the men or the cowboys or just see those that are maybe robbing that post office. So let's see if we can go find some of them. Oh, there we go. So this looks really cool. It's got some cowboys, of course. There's a rope one. There's some horses in there. There's a buffalo. There's a couple of Native Americans in here. I bet I can find something in here that'll really look really cool inside of this cache to kind of set some stuff up in there. But I want to see if there's anything else that we can go find too. All right, so I got some really cool items and I'll show you what I got when I get back to the car once I get to the checkout. But I think we're on a really cool start. So let's go get checked out. All right, so we've got checked out and let's see what we got. Okay, so first off, I did go ahead and get those rocks. I think that might be some really cool little bling to add into it, or not so bling, but so much, you know, some little extra gingerbread. And if you don't know what gingerbread is, it's what they call the extra little fake stuff that they put at amusement parks to kind of hide different things. And then here we go, we got the sandpaper, or the floor, the sand kind of looks like on the floor. Then we got, oh, here we go, oh yeah. We got those characters, the Indian characters, and not just the Indian, but also the cowboy characters that we're gonna have in there for those items. And then I went ahead and I got some Mod Podge stuff because there's some ideas that I have that I want to add into this that I couldn't find in there. I looked for some stickers and couldn't find some decals or some stickers that I wanted to add in there. So I'm gonna have to print some stuff up like on the printer and then kind of put some Mod Podge aspects into it. I think that would look really cool to add some of that extra effect to this cache. And the other part that I have in here, oh, of course, yep, let me get back into the bag. The tumbleweed. I think this is going to be some really cool aspect of it, adding the tumbleweed into it. So that's going to be really fun. All these different items that I got here at Hobby Lobby, and you can find it. Now, if you don't have a Hobby Lobby, some Mod Podge, and I have another one in here that I want to try out because I'm curious to feel how it works. But I'm really excited about this build. Also, if you don't have a Hobby Lobby, or you can find this stuff at just about any type of craft store. And I am not sponsoring Hobby Lobby, and I'm not sponsored by them at all. It's just the closest craft store that I had in my area, and I thought this would be a really great location to go find some of these items. So I hope you've enjoyed this today. Let me know. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I'm sure you probably saw some other ideas in there as well. And if you have some other ideas that maybe that could go into this cache, let me know. So leave a comment down below. I hope you've enjoyed this, but don't go anywhere. Go check out another one of these videos just right over here and find the story behind the cache.